This fantastic digital product makes over $95,000 per year, which equates to about $7,973 per month. It's a 9-month-old listing. It's a digital product, and I'm going to explain on this video exactly what it is and how you can get into it. So check this out. Now look at my screen. You can see that all the details, the stats, it's made 119 sales, $7,973 per month. It's a $67 price, and it's actually growing at a rate of 100%. So it's actually trending up. Now, this digital product, let me show you what it is exactly, is this, which is a personalized matchbook art custom. Now, these are very, very popular, guys, and they are trending quite nicely. They are digital products, wall arts, if you like, of little matchboxes with designs on them. And what you do, because it's personalized, the customer would send a detail of 12 matchbook themes, and then the seller would create them and then send them the digital download. And you can see it's really nice. Let me just show you very quickly. It's got these all these little matchboxes, really nice different themes, which the seller obviously wanted. You get it within 3 to 7 days. Really nice, but it's some one of those wall art designs, gift wall art designs that is really desirable right now. People really like it, and there's a lot of sellers that are making some really good money out of this. And it's really the personalized element which is really making this stand out. This is the part that people want. They want to create their own personalized matchboxes, and to have it on a piece of retro wall art decor, if you like. Now, I use Everbee, my go-to research tool that gives me all of the stats and all of the information and all the key information and data with regards to those really great keywords, which I'm going to show you right now. So if you want to try out Everbee, check out the link below. You do need some kind of research SEO tool if you want to sell on Etsy. Now, let me go down to the tags. Now, these tags are used in the listing to help push the listing, help the SEO and the Etsy algorithm to pick it up and push it on those first pages. And you can see already the reason why this niche is really, really good is because it is low saturation, low competition. And this shows you this. For example, custom matchbox art has a very low competition of 2,153. So the volume of people doing this is around 700, with competition of 2,153 people. Sorry, the volume of searches is around 700 per month. That is on this particular word, but on different types of particular words, you also get more volume. But let's just take this one, for example, which has 706 volume, searching this exact match of keywords, and a competition of 2,153 only, which is very, very low, guys. And in essence, Everbee has deemed it to having a very high score of 330. Now, there are other similar keywords that people search for on the Etsy search bar, like large matches, print, again, and other ones that also help push this listing higher and higher. So basically, there is low competition and you can still get into this niche. That's essentially what I'm trying to say. But it's always important to study the competition and see what keywords they're using to better inform you, so that when you do your SEO and you do your tags and your title, you can use similar words that have that low competition to push your listing up. Now, looking at this listing, you can see that they've got some really nice, lovely kind of designs. But remember, the seller will create the designs that you want. And they've got some really nice messaging, and very clear, very clear. It's very clear in terms of what it is that they will provide for the buyer, which is really good. Fully customized design. So, as I said, this is not the only one, obviously, that's making the money. Because it's such low competition, many sellers are also doing very, very well. You can see that a lot of these, you can see these, for example, this whole line, a lot of these are doing good sales. Now I'm going to use Everbee and go to and analyze the products even further. So let's have a look. Let me go to the listings. And then, as I said, you can see that a lot of these are making some good money. You can see this one, 7,900, 5,400, 5,400, 3,800, 3,500, 3,200, 2,700. And these are, remember, this is one listing, guys. These are one listings. So you can see that there is a market for this, and you can see that they are popular, and you can see that you can get into this. And in fact, if I go to growth rate, you can also find those trending style designs. What I would do is I would study those really high trend ones. Look at this one, that's 1700. This one's making 2,676, which is trending at a rate of 1,700%. So this is growing daily, guys. Now, if I click on this one, you can see that this is only a 2-month-old listing, right? Only a 2-month-old listing making 2,676. So even as a newbie, even as somebody new to the game, you can get in, which is very important to find out. So it's not just about those ones that have been around for a bit making money. As a complete newbie, you can also get into it. And it's also about understanding what kind of style designs sell. So the one that I showed you, you've seen already. I'm going to show you this one that's trending massively, and just study design quickly. Okay, so coming on to this one, you can see this one that's a bestseller that is doing really well. Now, this one is slightly different to the other one. Yes, it does have those match boxes. You can see some of the match boxes, but it's a slightly different kind of matchbox art custom poster, right? It has slightly different, some photos. It looks like it's probably more for someone that wants to celebrate their anniversary. And you can see couples here, one with a sort of photos, more retro, more vintage style esque. And this is the beauty about these kind of matchbox art styles. There are many different sort of angles or sub niches you can get into, which makes it even better and even easier to get into. And you can see this one's in demand. And what they do is they kind of put those images together. Now, what it does say, you do get this. This is personalized as well, and you can say what it is, what elements you want to be included, and this is also very important. And this is the important thing about this, guys, is that this is personalized. This is where the money is, the personalization. There are matchboxes that are created that are not at all custom, and they are also sold. Basically, it's a design that's created by the seller, and they just sell it day in, day out as a set design without any personalizations. They can work, but in my eyes, the more lucrative ones and the ones that have a much higher profitability and better sales are the ones that are custom. But like I said, there are many angles to the custom. You could do something for wedding anniversaries, you could do something for a family, you could do something for a couple, you could do something for your pet. So there are many different angles for these matchbox designs, but there are other ones that are not custom or personalized that do sell also on the Etsy platform, just like this example here, these iconic St. Louis restaurant matchbook art matchboxes. Again, this is not customizable or personalized in any shape or form, but it is a digital download, and you can buy this, and this is making 10 monthly sales. So it's not as lucrative, and it doesn't sell for the same price either. So this goes for much less. So it's definitely not as lucrative as those custom and those personalized ones. I'll definitely advise to go for those. It's not hard to do, especially if you have a good design platform like I do, like Kittle. You can check out Kittle. The link is below also. But definitely a niche that is low competition, and you're still able to get into it if you're going to go into the personalized custom niche, and it's very, very profitable. So guys, if you did like the video, please hit a like, subscribe, smash that notification bell, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.